Hi N7, good morning. Today, I'm gonna make a lemon volcano. That's right, I'm gonna make a lemon explode and it's gonna be awesome. So let's see what I need. To make a lemon volcano, what you need is food coloring, dish soap, baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda, a lemon, and a popsicle stick. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the lemon in half. I'm gonna make the one that I wanna explode a slightly bigger half. I'm also gonna cut off the bottom just a little bit so it stands up nicely. All right, so now I have my half a lemon and it's standing up so nicely. Next, I'm gonna take my popsicle stick and I'm gonna go through each section and I'm gonna poke holes. This helps the acid come out that makes the volcano work. So I poke holes through each section with my popsicle stick. I can see it getting nice and juicy. Now this is a fun part. You don't have to do this, but you take food coloring and you add it to each section, different colors. So I'm gonna put some blue here, some red, some green, and some yellow. So now check out my lemon. It's all juicy. You can see the juice is just like all on top. And there's all the rainbow colors inside it too. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a plate to put my lemon on just to make it nice and safe so it doesn't explode on me. So my plate is gonna keep me from making a gigantic mess. Though who knows, I might still make a mess. You know, Maura Rachel likes her messy projects. So now I have some dish soap. This just adds some bubbles. It's not entirely necessary, but you put dish soap on top, it makes it a little more bubbly. And last, you're gonna take your baking soda and put it on top. I'm gonna get a spoon. Hope this works. I'm gonna get a spoon. I'm gonna take some baking soda, put a generous amount on top, like a good amount of it. Now, for the explosion, take your popsicle stick and push the baking soda in to the lemon. Here it goes. Look at that rainbow explosion. I could add some more lemon juice using my other half. Maybe I can make it explode more. Whoa! Look at that. A lemon volcano. A rainbow lemon volcano. Bam. So now I'm gonna do a little test. So I know my lemon works really well. Now I have this lime. It's not so big, but maybe the lime will work too. I really don't know. It's a test, right? I'm gonna cut off the bottom so it stands up. Cut it in half. So here's my lime. I'm gonna go get a different plate for my lime so that again, I don't make a mistake. This will help me with this mess. Now, I don't know if the lime's gonna explode or if it's gonna explode better or worse than the lemon. I don't know which one's gonna work better. What's the difference between a lemon and a lime anyway? I know they taste different. I'm gonna give it a smell. They smell a little different too. I think limes are more sour. I wonder if that means they'll explode more or less. I'm gonna go rinse off my popsicle stick and use it again. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Ooh, squirted myself in the face. Poke holes in each section of the lime. This is a juicier lime than it looked from the outside. I'm gonna take some rainbow, put it in my lime sections. And some yellow. Yellow, blue, and red. The trifecta of primary colors right there. take my dish soap, just like I did with my lemon. When you do an experiment, you have to treat it exactly the same. Otherwise, it's not a real experiment. Use the same scoop. I did 2 scoops on my lemon, so I'll do 2 scoops on my lime. Remember, got to treat it exactly the same. Now let's see if the lime explodes too. Oh, look at that. For some reason, the red is just overpowering the other colors, huh? Volcano eruption. Ooh, look at that. That's slippery. Which explosion did you think was bigger, the lime or the lemon? I'm gonna go wash off my hands. Okay, so I did 2 explosion tests. I did a lemon volcano and a lime volcano. Again, wait, I forgot to do this part where you add some lime juice on top. Make it explode more. Made it bubble. So which one exploded better, the lemon or the lime? I don't know. So here's my challenge to you guys. I want you to try to test some other fruits too, if your parents don't mind. Try a grapefruit, an orange. They all need to be citrus fruits though, because they need to be acidic. That means that they need to be kind of like sour to it. Like oranges and grapefruits are kind of sour. So those would work better. So you let me know which ones work the best. I'm really excited to see what you do. Have fun!